guys, it's Tory. Um, okay, so in today's project, we're going to do a ghost Hershey candy bar purse. And right now, the purse template is already scored. But if you get the purse and it's not scored, all you want to do is these dotted lines mean that it's scored. But if you get it and it's not, it'll just be a solid line. All you want to do is click on the solid line and change that cut to a score. And you'll want to do that for each of these. And then you'll select the whole purse with the score lines and hit attach. So this right here is already scored. And I'm going to do the purse black. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to black. But I wanted to do it white so you could see the score lines, because when it's black, you're not going to see it. And I'm planning to do the boo and the ghost in white. And then where the cutout is for the eyes, I thought that would be cute just to use the black background of the purse. So I hope it turns out as cute as I see it in my head. Need to hit attach for the eyes and attach. And attach, and now we're going to hit make it on the mat, and then let's go ahead and switch this over to white. Okay, so now we are ready to go ahead and do this. So let's hit make it. And I already have glittered cardstock saved, so I'm just going to click on glitter cardstock, and let's go ahead and load the mat. So I loaded the cardstock onto the mat, and then I put it in the Cricut maker and just press the flashing arrow and the Cricut button. Okay, so now we are ready to cut the black glitter cardstock, and we need to score it first. And you can see that it says score first, so we're going to do that, and then we'll go on to the cut. So let's go ahead and hit continue and glitter cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead, load the mat. And in this case, since it's glitter cardstock and it's a little bit thicker, I need to use a double scoring tool. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in first. And then once it's done scoring, it'll let you know it's time to now switch the tool back to the fine point tool, and it will cut. So let's go ahead and do that. The next step was just folding on the score lines on all four sides. And if you'll note, there are two score lines on each side, and you should be able to see it in the video. There is two lines on each side, two score lines. So if you can see there, you'll want to just make sure that that's both folded. The next step was using the glue gun, and I just glued just a little strip on each side and just made sure that they lined up. And before applying the adhesive glue dot to be able to close it, I like to place the Hershey bar inside, just so when you're applying that, you put it in the exact spot, so it's able to close. And I also like to add just a touch of glue on the half that touches the glitter cardstock, because I think that helps stay, since it's that glittery type cardstock, it's just kind of more abrasive. So I think it sticks better if you do that. And then I went ahead and just applied the images and glued them on and that kind of stuff. And then it's called Crystal Rhinestone Trim, and it's like a chain. And I bought it off of Amazon, so if you like it, I'll leave it in the descriptions below. It comes in a spool, which just means it's all wrapped up, and it's like in a little, just like what you see. So anyway, what I did was just cut the amount that I wanted to use for the purse. And there's no right or wrong with that. It's just whatever you feel, the length you want to use. And I just glued it onto the side. And I like to just put a little bit of glue there and use a popsicle stick and just kind of push it down just to make sure that it's sticking, pretty good. and did that on both sides, and that was all I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. I would love to see what you guys think about it. If you leave a comment below, let me know. And as always, if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you. And if you're new and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.